Well, we're back out here in the garage with another video of the Honda Talon here. This will just be a short little video. We got something to go on. We'll try them out in the next ride we go on. I thought I'd share with you guys what we got going on here. We'll flip the camera around here so you guys can see. So this is what we've got here. We got a set of Supergrip XT Tires. That's them next to my XTR 370s. Both the 32-inch tire. There's no air in this one yet, but they both appear to be about the same height. Super deep lug on this one compared to the XTR, as you can see here. Hopefully in the camera picks it up. These are 32 by 10 for a 15-inch rim, so they'll bolt onto my System 3 rims. We just got to swap them around here. We'll see how that goes, but I do like the tread on them. It is a softer tread. Hopefully it works a little better in the rocks than my 370s. It might wear a little more, but I'll have my 370s to go back to if that's the case. We'll see how this goes. We'll get set up here and we'll get the machine jacked up and we'll get started. Socket here to take the nuts off. This stool here works very good for mounting these tires up about the right height. First, pull the ring off, clean it all up here. Give it a quick clean. We'll set it aside for now. Give the bead a good wipe here so we don't knock the stuff inside the rim. Now we're ready to break the bead on this. That's a bit of a crazy idea I got here, but I got a scissor jack from a truck. Might be this black Dodge, but I don't like to say that. We're going to try and use it as a bead breaker. We'll see how this goes here. Turn around, get to a new spot. We go again. Sometimes you gotta get the red Crocs involved and finish it off. Just like that, the rim is loose. You just be able to pull the rim out. There we go, we got our rim ready to go. Throw this tire aside. Of course, now we'll take our rim, set it down on the cushion here again. Take a rag, we clean our bead seal here. I want to make sure it's nice and clean so we don't have any leaks later on. Now these tires do have a yellow dot on them. You line that up with the valve stem, they say. So we get this situated now. And it should sit down in the lips here. There's our valve stem there. It's lined up with our yellow dot. Got that lined up. We're ready for a ring. Of course, we already cleaned our ring up. So it's ready to go back on, no problem. Line up your holes. I do like to put a bit of anti-seize on these bolts just so they come out easier later on, avoid the water and stuff in them. I like to drop these in, start them all by hand. Avoid you from cross threading. I'll make sure they get started because this goes into the aluminum rim. I use an impact. I can turn mine down to 1 so it doesn't over torque these. Got them all started, so just go easy. I do a crisscross pattern. I'll grab a torque wrench. They say to torque these from 12 to 15 foot-pounds. So make sure we'll get them torqued here in a second. Again, you gotta do this in a crisscross pattern. There we go. You always double check it. Make sure it's good. Make a little noise with the air compressor now. I can throw a lot of WD-40 around the heat. Well, we got the tires on, the 32 Supergrip XT tires. We got them all mounted up on the Super ATV rims, on the beadlocks. All ready to go. I'll give you a little walk around of these tires here. They look really good on the machine. Nice aggressive tread. No shortage of tread on these. Should work good in all the terrain we ride in Ontario here. There's our channel, Sideshow Guys. Like, follow, subscribe, leave a comment. This wrap on this machine was done by Hepburn Designs. He's out in Alberta, Canada. He does wraps for just about every machine out there. Look him up. You can find him online, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. He'll design anything you want for your machine. Give it a custom look. Like I said, we'll just do a little walk around here. Tires are a little narrower. That might help me with the width. I was at about 70.5 inches. This might have got me down to 70. We'll see. Got the pack out system there. Loving that system. So easy to take out for cleaning. Machine's cleaned up, ready to go on the next ride. We'll be getting out on some good rides coming up here shortly. We got some exciting stuff in the works. Stay tuned to the channel and we'll catch you on the next ride. Thanks for watching.